Oh my god. Okay, so like for right now, all I'm doing is I'm going to be testing whether my chat actually works. Okay, it seems like Twitch chat works, but I don't know if YouTube chat works. Um, hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. I don't want to have to like have it break on me. So you know, why do I have two live? Oh my god, I have two live streams. I'm gonna have to delete those. Okay. Okay. So if I say okay, does it pop up? No. Okay. So it looks like right on my end. It seems like YouTube chat just does not get picked up, which is bad. I don't know why. It just does not get picked up. It should, but it doesn't. So that's bad actually. The fact that I can say okay and it doesn't pop up for me is a massive problem because if Twitch is popping up but YouTube isn't, it kind of shows like that there's a problem, right? So maybe I have to change this out of test mode. I have no idea. Alright, so what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna test an alert because I know YouTube alerts do work. Like those work. But if I say okay again, like that doesn't pop up at all. But Twitch does. So if I were to look at Twitch, Twitch on the other hand does pop up, which is interesting. I'm not sure why that is. Um, I'll be working on it. Get my PC. You don't want any copyright strikes, fam. Alright. So that works. But if I type in like dot 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 on Twitch, that pops up very quickly. Whereas on YouTube, it just doesn't for whatever reason. So I need to actually like figure that out. Why is YouTube not allowing multi-chat, but Twitch is? Because if I say hi here, I can say only say hi on. I can't say hi on YouTube, and I'm not sure why YouTube chat is not connecting, as it should be connected, right? Oh, that's own 3D. I think I said hi on my own stream. Oh my goodness. So Twitch chat loads the appropriate message, but I have a problem because YouTube doesn't do that. YouTube is in fact not loading chat, which is a problem because people type on YouTube. So now I have to search up a solution to why it's not working. YouTube chat like not working. I have to figure out why YouTube chat it doesn't work. Oh my goodness. Ugh. This is an interesting type of stream. Ooh. Speaking of stream, I need to change the stream element thing at the top. I'm not focusing on the actual chat bot. That's not what I'm looking for. I will pull up stream elements anyway though, just so I can change. Just so that I can change how the sub filter at the top looks, because that doesn't look the best. I'll be very honest with you. Oh, yeah. So I'll change that right now, and then I will make it like a little bit smaller. So what I'll do is, I think wasn't the font was supposed to be dynamic. So what I'm going to do is reduce the size, like make it 40. Save it. And if I look at stream, that looks fine actually. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice. Okay. So that's back. So I can cancel out stream elements here. No configuration found. Events. Looking a bit empty. I know it is. But why is YouTube chat, like, out of all of these, why is YouTube chat not working? I need to figure that one out. So, I don't know. It's kind of like a troubleshoot thing, but we will figure it out one way or another. Because that just has to pop up there. So if I say low, that works. And that will pop up on stream seconds later. Alright. So that pops up on stream. And if I were to do a test of what the actual scene itself, of live chat, right? I could just do this. And instead of Twitch, just simulate on YouTube what a super chat would be. And that will pop up there. Okay, but the issue is I have to now, I still have to figure out, for whatever dumb reason, why Own3D does not work for YouTube. I have to figure that one out. Maybe I have to look at the forums, honestly. That's how I'm honestly feeling it should work, but you know, I can't really think of anything at the moment. My brain is like kind of shot. I need to figure out why this is not connected to YouTube properly. So, actually, hold on. I have an idea. Right? What I'm actually going to do is, I need to figure out why it's not connected to YouTube properly. I think that's what I actually need to look at. It says read my YouTube chat, right? But it's not reading my YouTube chat. Very importantly, it's just not doing that. So, I'm going to delete a connection to YouTube, and then I'm going to re-add a connection to YouTube to see if that does anything. Maybe it needs to be a moderator. I think that's what it might need to be. I just gotta like type in my password and everything now, which I don't think you guys are seeing this. No one's seeing it, which is good. I don't want people seeing my password to log into my account. Okay. Okay. Alright, and now I have my phone to activate it. Here. The second thing I'm going to use to activate. Okay. And I guess it's me. We're back on. We're going to read from this channel up here. From myself. And it should be able to do all of this. Allow. So it has approval. That back to home. Um. Okay. I have the desktop app. It should be connected now. So let me test if it is indeed connected by saying hello to myself again. My Microsoft Edge is frozen. Not good. Definitely not good. I'm surprised it is frozen. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay. Twitch works. Alerts work for the most part. Yeah, and Microsoft. No, not Microsoft Windows. I can't kill my entire PC. Only Microsoft Edge. There we go. Close Microsoft Edge the program. Close it. This computer can no longer run that software. Right, so I guess a secondary thing is I could probably, with this sort of stream setup, if the sub count on YouTube is up there, then keeping wins and losses where they are, is fine. However, I would say that having it like that might not give too much room for error in the future. So what I might just do is try and find a way to put in stream elements where the Twitch follow count is like on the bottom, and then wins and losses are over the images of the Splatoon characters that are blue flagged here. So reopen Microsoft Edge. Actually, even easier, use a phone to access YouTube chat. Because clearly Microsoft Edge is struggling on my PC. Like it needs a vacation. And now all these things are back, but I have to close them. So PC is going to struggle. Okay. Get rid of channel analytics. Alright. So what I'm going to do is do some magic. I'm going to have yeah. I don't know why it's lagging at this rate, but it really should not be. Like, Microsoft Edge is not usually supposed to consume all the resources on your computer, but it does anyway, which is not good for me. It's not supposed to consume my computer. It seems like it still can't load either. Microsoft Edge is supposed to be efficient, but not efficient today. Right? So, now, I'm going to use a test account. Oh, not a test account. I'm going to use my disease channel account. And now, I'm going to check on 3D. Although, to be fair, there's like 2 streams. One of these streams is like out the window. So, I'm actually going to figure out which one this is. It seems like Own 3D Pro Desktop is also like on its last legs. What in the world is happening here? Why is it on its last legs? Yeah, I got it. I'm going to say hi in this one. And it's not going to put anything in the live chat, because a live chat is lazy like that. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it's the permissions on my account preventing. Um, it could be the permissions on my account preventing Own 3D from reading YouTube, but it should be able to. Um, I have no idea. It feels like it though. But if I could go to Twitch and it works just fine, I don't know why it wouldn't work on YouTube. I guess searching Reddit is how I'm going to find my answer to my problem. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is okay. Oh my goodness. Hmm. I'm still trying to figure out how you fix this, well. Like, honestly, I don't know. But, I mean, at least. At least I know Twitch works. So, the Twitch chat will be available. But YouTube chat. I don't really know what's going on with that. Everything is taking a million years to load, which is, in of itself, an indication that something's wrong. But I'm glad that works. Now, this is fine as is. I'll just put these to 0 for the next stream. But Twitch works. I figured out that everything else, in fact, does not work. So, that has to be fixed in some way. Okay, so like I could type him in there and it will pop up here, but it will not pop up in live chat. So I need to figure out how it's like, I guess where it's getting its chat from. It's the most important part, because it is connected to YouTube chat. It is indeed connected to YouTube chat. Disable, enable. Okay. Back. Okay, all these things are back. say that. I'm not sure if Interact actually does anything. I'm assuming it does not. Because YouTube doesn't pop up. So no. This is kind of sad that it's just more so just sitting here. But now I know that Twitch chat actually does work. Now that I understand that Twitch chat actually works, I now have to figure out how to make YouTube chat work. So I'm forced to basically keep the stream up, not because I want to, but because I actually have to search for what the reason that's disabling YouTube chat is. So, I think maybe I'll just end this stream, ask questions on Reddit, and then see where the problem lies. Because here, I guess the chat should be fine, but I'm not seeing it. Or I might just have to check Google and give this website more permissions. I might have to do that. I don't want to give them more permissions, but I feel like I have to. Because I don't really have a choice in the matter. Because I can do like actually, in theory, I think I can actually switch over to a different I could actually switch over to my other account. No thanks. Physically get over here. Mod own 3D. Like, as a managing mod and see if that changes anything. I'm gonna add a like to my own stream. So we do that around here. And what I'll do is I have Twitch, I'll do YouTube, I'll do a subscriber notification, which will pop up in that stream chat, I think. Yep. So that pops up. But if I put O, that will definitely not pop up. Yeah, that's taking too long. So it's definitely not going to pop up there. This is... I don't know, man. This kind of sucks. If I say okay again, or oh again, it's not going to pop up in the chat. I don't think. No. So I need to actually figure out why that is. But at least everything else works, so that's good. The fact that everything else is working just fine, if not better, because of this. I like that a lot. No, other than that, I don't really know what to do now. Like, I kind of finished my purpose. I I already have everything else in here, so I guess for now it's just figuring out okay, um, why is there no like connection to multi chat, for example. But I don't really know what to do now. Like, I pretty much already did everything that's possible. So I just don't know why YouTube chat wouldn't be working. But